Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing another unboxing video. It's been, I think, like a month since my last one. So I've got some stuff, you can't see it here on the floor, but I have like some clothing, some bathing suits, some skincare products, makeup products, accessories, just a mix of things that I've gotten. Like I said in the last one, I just accumulate some stuff and I figured I'd show it to you guys. So these are some good things. I'm gonna link everything down below and you guys can just click it and it'll be everything in one spot. I saw some of you guys bought some things from my last video and I want to know how you guys are liking it. Send me a DM or an Instagram or comment down below and let me know if you guys liked it or not. I see a lot of you guys buy a lot of the makeup and a lot of like the hoodies and like loungewear, which is funny because those really are like the things that I buy the most too, and it's like the most comfortable. And I noticed a lot of you guys ordered a lot of stuff from my Revolve haul, which when I know you guys are loving it because it is so fire. I've been wearing everything from that haul out lately and love it. But I'm gonna start with showing you guys the clothing and then we'll go into everything else. Okay guys, let's get into some of the clothes that I recently got. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from Club London first. I've never ordered from them before and I will say their clothes are very good quality. They kind of remind me of Opali a little bit. They do run small, so definitely size up if you're not sure. It's always better to take clothes in. So I've got this blazer that's like long and you can wear with like beige tight shorts underneath or like maybe a pair of like denim shorts, but I really liked this. Okay, so this is the blazer that I was talking about. Obviously you're not gonna wear it with this white stuff underneath, but it's very tight on the waist, which is beautiful because business attire could be ugly, let's just be real. So a nice blazer and get some nice cream either pants or shorts or whatever. You don't have to wear this to business meeting, you can wear this to wherever. I like that it is pretty long but it comes tight like right here. I love this. Wow, I'm not sure if they have it in other colors, but if they do I will link it. Love this. Then I got this beach cover-up skirt. It has a slit all the way here and it's open here. This will look really pretty with a red bathing suit or like a black bathing suit. Honestly, even a green. I really like getting a color that's in here that's like only a little bit and like putting that type of shirt on or something and it pops so much more. This is the beach skirt. I'm just gonna try it on with this bodysuit because I don't wanna go change. So I'm gonna just show you guys it like this. So, one sec. Wait, this is so freaking cute, hold on. Super cute. It is a little bit see-through and that's why I think it's perfect for the beach. But if you wanted to wear it with a crop top, I feel like you could. I love the colors on this and it's so beautiful. Love it. And then I got this dress. I'm going to a wedding in 2 weeks and I have not ordered a dress, so maybe I'll wear this one. It's just black, strapless. It's kind of like a knot in the front. It goes all the way down to the ankle and it has an open back and then you tie it here. I'm really excited to see how this looks. This is really good quality. It's very thick. Wow, okay guys, this dress is beautiful. Like the quality is so good and the best part about this dress is the bottom. It like flows out a little, so you know when you're like really like wearing a tight dress and you can't walk? That does not happen with this. And then this ties here in the back. It's like low. I'm obsessed. Okay, and then next are just 3 random things from like 3 different stores that I got. So I got this top from Shein. I just thought it was so cute. It says, work and life, be positive. It has a little martini glass. So, love this. Got this top. Cute little like loungy top. You're gonna go get your nails done or go run some errands, put that on with some sweats or like little shorts. Love that. And then I got these pants. I called oceandryclothing.com. These pants, I walked into that store just like, you know when you go to like those, when you're on vacation, you go to the stores to like look. I just went in just to like see the bathing suits and I saw these pants and I was like, wait, these look so comfortable. They go like above the ankle, which I thought was really cute. Just like a nice beachy vibe. Okay, I love these pants so much. I love that they are super loose, so comfy. They come like a little bit above the ankle. With like a cute cream top, like a solid color shirt. It would look so adorable. And next, you guys will see in the, already watched it, but if you haven't already, I got this bathing suit from Slate Swimwear. I have it also in brown, but I wanted to get the other color because this is just so gorgeous. I love the quality of these bathing suits. I wear that brown bathing suit way too much, but I'm so happy to have like another color. And I always wanted to show you guys the packaging that it came in, this cute little bag that just says Slate Swim. I really just love these bathing suits. They are just so cute. Wear this also across your body, but oh my god, guys, this color, it's so gorgeous. I love it. It would go good on anybody's skin tone because it's not super bright, but it also, if you're really pale, it won't wash you out. So I really love this bathing suit. Make sure you check out my Slate Swimwear try-on haul if you haven't already. You can see all the other amazing pieces that I tried on for them. So okay, so next is this little bag that I got. You guys might have been seeing it in some of my Instagram pictures I've been taking when I go out. I've been wearing this bag pretty often just because it goes with so much and it's very beachy and cute and so elegant. I love the black accents. It comes with a thing to go like this, you can wear it across, but personally I don't think that that's like a cute look. I don't like crossbody bags or like when it just like hangs there long. I think it loses its elegance of stuff. Now I'm gonna show you my stuff that I like put in here so I can show you guys. Like I said earlier, I have been using this bronzer from Kosas. I'm in the shade Escape. And personally, this stays all night. It looks like that. It has a little bit of a shimmer like to it, but like not like it's not sparkly at all. And then I recently got this Hand Luxe illuminating self tanning drop, so I just put some in my moisturizer and then I like put it on my face, and it keeps you tan a good like few days. I think I use an exfoliator like every 2 days so it doesn't stay as long, but I like it because it keeps your face tan when you wash your face, because my face is very pale from like never putting it in the sun. And then I ended up caving in and getting this lip gloss by, not even gonna try to pronounce it, but I will link it down below. The things with a lot of lip oils is that they do not, one, stay, and two, it feels like you just ate the most greasiest thing in the world. This, it does not feel that way. It just feels like you're literally putting on a little bit like olive oil on your lips. Like it's so thin and it's not sticky. And it gives such a pretty shine and it lasts like a while. So definitely love that. Okay, so now we're gonna go into some of the skincare stuff that I got. This I thought was really cool. I really wanted to get this. It's the Sola Wave. So basically what this is, it's like a 4-in-1 skincare wand, and I just thought it was so interesting. I see a lot of people using the like red light therapy like mask, but like that's so excessive to me, and I'm not sitting there like with a freaking giant mask on in my house every day. So I was like, they gotta have something else. So I found this. It says that it's supposed to smooth, depuff, tighten, soothe, renew, sculpt, tone, and lift. Rejuvenates the skin, helps smooth fine lines, which is always great. Promotes better absorption of skin products. Soothes skin, helps reduce dark circles, which your girl needs, and then reduces puffiness and boosts skin radiance, which to me I feel like is all things that I need. It also comes with a travel kit, which is really nice, and then it comes with the activating serum. So it's basically aloe vera and hyaluronic acid, and it's vegan, which is nice. This is really cool. I'm gonna use it tonight. I'm really excited to see how it works, and I'm excited that you could take it with you like on vacation and stuff, because I am the person that is so extra on vacation. I'm not the person that just brings a moisturizer and a sunscreen. No, I bring my entire skincare kit with me, and I will do my whole entire skincare. Like, that's just how I am. I just got a order from Ola Creatives. I'm really excited to see this. You guys know I'm big on like cups. I love cups so much. Whenever people go away on vacation, they ask me like what I want them to bring me back. I always say a cup. I don't know what my reasoning is. Like, I love a mug and I love a cup. Like a cool cup, I'll buy it. Thank you, Tiana, for supporting our small business. We hope you enjoy. Beautiful packaging, by the way. You can tell they really took the time, and I also love this, but I save them for when I'm around my brother because he hates when I pop them. So I purposely save it and then I pop them when he comes over. This is a straw. I like that the tissue paper is a color. Oh my God, wait, and there's stuff inside. How cute. Wow, I love it. This is custom made, by the way, guys. Look how cute. I love these stickers. This is freaking adorable. Oh my God, guys, I'm obsessed with this. Look, and it comes with a little lid. Oh my God, make custom cups like to whatever your desire is. But also if you love like a sports team or a college team, they make all these kind of cups. I just got the flower one because I really wanted something like more like dainty and girly. You get this on Etsy and then Instagram as well, like they sell. So definitely check that out, guys. This company, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to try. Oh my God, how cool. Dark spot serum. I really wanted to get this. I also have dark marks here, so I'm really excited to try this. It seems to be good for everybody's skin tone, which is really nice. So they tell you to use a cleanser, then use the dark mark serum, and then the moisturizer, and then sunscreen. So this is the dark mark serum. It's so nice. I really love their packaging. I love stuff in like glass. I don't like when things sometimes are in plastic. Cleansing balm, Daydream cleansing balm. Melt away makeup, excess oil, dirt, and SPF with this soothing jelly to oil to milk cleanser. Now this is from Burst. Always wanted one of these. Oh my God, look at this. It's for like when you wash your hair. You do this. You know what I hate? When you wash your face and the water drips all down your stuff. It's so annoying. This is really cool, love. Also with this company, Verse, I have a code for you guys. I was able to get one. Sometimes I'm able to, sometimes I'm not. I know that you could buy this at certain stores, but if you can get a discount, why not buy it online? So I got the clarifying serum. Basically like a mask. I think this would be really, really good for when you're traveling. Oh, what's this? Acne Control Body Mist. Wow. Neck Acne Solution with Superfine Mist and hold a bottle about a foot away and spray onto clean, dry skin. Let it sink in for 30 seconds. That is really cool. I wonder if this works on eczema. Let's see this. Dark spot gel. As you can see, I always order anything that has to do with the dark spot because I have not been able to find something that works for me. This is a smaller one. Also, everything of Verse is extremely affordable, which is why it's really an awesome brand. This was awesome. Highly suggest getting this too. Like, love that. All right, guys, that is it for the video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you end up buying anything from there. I really highly suggest just trying some of the stuff. I personally think out of all the skincare stuff, that like light therapy thing was awesome. If you're on a budget, the Verse products are great. And like I said about makeup in my last unboxing, I scanned everything before I used it. I haven't scanned any of this stuff yet. But on the makeup side, I've scanned everything and it's all safe for your skin, which is why I really only use Kosas makeup because it's like the cleanest brand that actually works. Like Ilia, to me, their products are not that great. I don't like the way they sit on my face. Kosas, I do. So highly suggest that, and highly suggest any of the clothing that I tried on. I loved everything so much. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys end up getting anything, or if you get something and you don't know how it works, or I don't know, if you have any questions, send me a DM or comment down below. I always try to reply to the DMs and comments as much as I can. So yeah, have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.